Good morning, YouTubes. So today I come to you from the Red River Gorge Sky Lift. We're headed up to the Natural Bridge, and normally I wouldn't film this kind of thing for YouTube, but in a cart behind me, well, I hope they're going to be behind me, I got some of my new friends, David and Julie from Bunk A Biker. And we're going to discuss today a little bit about Bunk A Biker, what it is, maybe if you all want to get signed up for it. It is a worldwide service for motorcyclists to have a place to stay when they're traveling. And they happen to be traveling through from New York, and they're headed to Ohio tomorrow and stop by my place, and we've just been out enjoying ourselves, going for rides, and really just having a good time. So today we're up here riding the sky lift. I think they're back there. Hell, I don't even know where they're at. They're supposed to be behind me. Anyway, when I get to the top, maybe we'll show you some of the attractions here, and if y'all decide that, hey, I'd like to kind of take a look at that, you can hit us up on Bunk A Biker and we can host you.
Thank you all.
If it was $15.
All right, so here we are at the top. We got David and Julie with me here. At least say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Enjoying the picturesque view from the top. And here we are at the bottom. Let's take a look at this.
Yeah, that's just a different trail right there. So, I've been to both of them.
And here we are at the lookout point. All right, so here we are again, my Bunk A Bikers, going to, where are we at? Creation Falls. Another spectacular area here at the gorge that, you know, if you come see me, we'll go look at. All right, I believe this is what's known as the Rock Bridge. One more feature. And we seem to have made it. After less than a mile of a hike, I believe we've made our destination. Alright YouTube, so it's the next day. It's the 29th of August. It's a Sunday. David and Julie have left now, and so I'm going to go ahead and finish up this video. But the reason that I've got you out here, and the whole point of making this video, was to bring a little bit of light to Bunk A Biker. And what it is it's kind of like a couch sharing kind of deal, where motorcyclists can, I don't know, you get on their website, pull up the map, and look to where you're traveling, and you can find people that will host you to, whether it be anything from sleeping on their couch, a guest room, tent camping in their yard, parking your camper there, to offering repair services. And, you know, hosting you for, let's say, giving you just information on the area that you're traveling to, local roads, places to, you know, that are really nice out in the beaten path to, you know, to go riding in. There's all types of different people on Bunk A Biker that are hosts. Some of them can't host you, like, for, you know, say, stay overnight. Some can. There's people on there right now, and, you know, it's, like I said, it's the 29th of August. So right now the eastern coast of the United States is getting hit by hurricanes, and there's people on Bunk A Biker that are saying, look, we're not hosts, but if you're in an affected area, hit us up. We may have a place for you to evacuate to. I mean, that's just the kind of people that are on this site. And it, you know, I mean, it's great. You know, I love hearing stuff like that. Me and my wife, we're on their site. We host. She has Facebook, so, and they have a Facebook page. You'd have to look at it. bunkabiker.org, I believe, is their website, and I don't know how to look them up on Facebook. I just type in Bunk A Biker. But they have links to maps, and their maps are worldwide. It's not just a United States thing. As a matter of fact, I believe they were founded in Europe, and it's really big in Europe, bigger than it is in the United States, I believe, but we're getting there. It's a great way for people to get out and meet new people while they travel. A lot of times, like if you're like in Europe, you know, traveling to your different countries, be kind of like in the US where you're traveling through different states, or even traveling in your own country and in your own states. A lot of times when you're planning these trips, things like hotels and campgrounds can really eat through your budget quickly. And this wasn't meant to just be like, hey, you know, I just want to save money on hotels. you can contact these hosts and say, hey, I'll be traveling through, on Wednesday, or I'll be traveling through this weekend. Is there a way that you can have me stay the night? And it's a completely free thing. Matter of fact, on their site, they even explain to you that if you're a host, you can't charge somebody for staying at your house. If you're a motorcyclist that's traveling and your host asks you, like, hey, it'd be great if you could, kick in $50, they even have their own reporting and claim center kind of like that you can call and let them know, or at least contact them by email and let them know that, hey, this host is trying to charge me, and they'll remove them. They're big on that. But we've not been a host for too awfully long, but we enjoy it because, meeting other motorcyclists, especially out where I live, it's great. And with Dave and Julie, we won't be just, hey, that, just happen to be somebody that stayed at the house. We're going to stay in contact with them, and we'll meet them again. Whether it's, here in Kentucky or we travel up to their neck of the woods. The nice thing is being that they're bikers and people that travel and go to events, the likelihood of seeing them at another event is pretty high. And that's just part of the community, is meeting people and creating these these friendships and bonding with people like that. Where I'm at, the Red River Gorge area, I'm like 12 miles down from there. And to be able to host somebody that wants to come to where I live to enjoy the beauty and the roads and everything about the gorge. People come from miles and miles away, different states, to come down here and spend time in the gorge. And I think it's great. It's great to show off kind of like, where we're at. It sounds like something that, maybe you'd be interested in. Check out their website. You don't have to have somebody that's a stranger come into your home, and you don't have to do all that. You don't even have to host if you don't want. Just knowing about Bunk A Biker and being able to spread the word to somebody that may decide they want to host. It's a great way to get more hosts on there, so that when you're out traveling and you're on your motorcycle, you've got more opportunities to to stay with other people. And if that's not your thing, that's fine. Just being a motorcyclist that likes to travel, you may look at this site and be like, wow, you know what, I'm gonna be heading over that way. Maybe I should go ahead and give them a call. And a lot of times you can either call your host or email them and get in contact with them and work something out where you can stay a day, you can stay a few days. It all depends what you and your host work out. But it's a really great site. If you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead, check it out. If I can figure out, I don't know how to put links in the description, but I'm going to try it. If I can figure out how to put a link in the description, I'll link down there. I don't know if I'll figure it out or not. If not, just do it the old-fashioned way like I do and just type it in with your fingers. But that's all I got for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, think about subscribing. That way, the more, I don't know how YouTube really works, but I guess the more people that watch it, the more people that like it, and the more people that do this, the greater the audience it reaches. And this video is kind of important. I mean, it's kind of cool to be able to spread the word about something like this. So if you like the video, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Maybe we can do some more things like this. It's kind of cool to be able to host somebody. So until next time, YouTube, we'll see you.